Next, d by dx of d by dx of d by dx of a tan inverse x plus b log x minus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 1 by x power 4 minus 1. Then a minus 2b value. The value of a minus 2b. First apply log m by n formula. Log m by n. Log m minus log n. D by dx of a tan inverse x, b log x minus 1 minus log x plus 1 equal to 1 by x power 4 minus 1 log m by n. Log m minus log n. A derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square plus b into derivative of log x 1 by x, derivative of log x 1 by x equal to 1 by x power 4 minus 1. So derivative part is over. Derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square, derivative of log x, derivative of log x. First calculate this one. Take LCM. A by 1 plus x square plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 1 LCM. X minus 1 cancel. X plus 1. X plus 1 cancel. Minus x. Minus into minus plus 1. Plus x minus x cancel. 1 by x power 4 minus 1. So a by 1 plus x square plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2b by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal to 1 by x power 4 minus 1. Again take LCM. 1 plus x square minus 1. This one cancel. A into x square minus 1. This one cancel. 2b into 1 plus x square equal to 1 by x power 4 minus 1. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Ax square minus a plus 2b plus 2b x square multiply with 2b. 2b into 1. 2b into x square. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square 1 by x power 4 minus 1. So x power 4 minus 1, x power 4 minus 1. So take x square common, a plus 2b into x square minus a plus 2b equal to, write like this one. Actually there is plus 1. Write 0 into x square. So equating the constant terms, minus a plus 2b equal to 1. He wants a minus 2b value. So multiply with minus. A minus 2b equal to minus 1 equal to minus 1. First take LCM in this place. X plus 1 minus x plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 into b, 2b. Again take LCM. Both sides. This one is cancelled. Take x square common and these two are the constants. Equating the constants. We want a minus 2b. So multiply with minus. Next. Next. Y equal to sine square x degrees. Write x degrees in terms of radians. Y equal to sine square x into pi by 180 radians. So first calculate derivative of the power function, derivative of the sine function, derivative of a pi by 180 into x. There are three functions: power, sine and internal. So dy by dx 2 into sine x into pi by 180. Derivative of power function over. Derivative of sine x cos x. Derivative of sine x function over. Derivative of internal function pi by 180 into 1. So this is a 2 sine x degrees cos x degrees pi by 180. Observe this one. 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a formula, pi by 180 sin 2x degrees. 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a formula, sin 2a formula.